Hey look, a food video that's not being done at my kitchen table. I'm actually outside. I think the only reason why I'm filming outside is to prove to you that yes, I do actually leave the kitchen table every once in a while and go out into the woods and eat the things that are on my channel out here. The other reason why I wanted to make this video is because if you watch this channel, you might get the impression that every single backpacking meal I bring, I'm counting calories and carbohydrates and minerals and vitamins and amino acids and everything else, and that's just simply not true. I kind of do that for the videos just to show you exactly what you can do, what might be, you know, a lot of people are interested in that, and so you kind of do want to have balanced meals, but you don't need to have perfection every time you go out. The other reason why I wanted to show this meal is what happens when you want to go out and just not have perfection, if you just want to start grabbing things from your kitchen. And so that's kind of what's in my food bag right here. This is not a well-prepped meal bag, just kind of grabbed things that I had. Not a lot of measurement, and definitely did not throw them into any website to count calories and carbs and minerals and vitamins and all those other good things. So here's what's in my meal bag. This is for lunch, snacks, dinner, dessert, breakfast. I'm home. So here we go. And I also, this is just in case you are new to backpacking, this is not normally how I would pack my bag as they're coming out. I kind of knew I was doing this video before I even really started today, and so I'm going to pack it a little bit differently, and not everything in here will go back into the bag, so the snacks will go into my side pockets of my backpack. So again, in no particular order, this is my snack for this afternoon. So this is about 25 dates or so. That's one of the things that I will nibble on. Hold off on that. This is my dinner, and there's a video on the channel right before this one that shows what is in here. But it's basically couscous and some soy curls and some other things in here. But that's my dinner. And again, like, I think we got these as a free sample somewhere. This was just a bag of, you know, like trail mix, and so I grabbed that. And it's your classic sort of peanuts, raisins, and there's some dried fruit in there. Other things that I brought for snacks along the way. Again, like, I don't know, I think maybe my mom gave these to me or something like that, and they've been sitting in my backpack and food box, so I decided to take them and eat them. I had some bars that I think I got for like free samples. I know the Lara bars I found on discount at some store for the whole box, really cheap. And there's a Justin's honey peanut butter that I found somewhere along the lines. And so I have 3 bars in the Justin's peanut butter. So that's kind of going to serve as my snacks. And sorry if this is bouncing. I'm actually on a huge tree. I don't know if you can tell. The whole thing bounces. I'm at the end of it. And so this is basically serving as my snacks as I'm going into dinner tonight. And then in this bag right here, this is my dessert. So these are 3 tablespoons of chia seeds. It's like a tablespoon of cocoa powder and then a bunch of dried coconut milk. So I put that into my cold soak jar. I'll shake it up and probably give that about a half an hour or so to gel. And if I want to eat it as pudding, I'll have a little less water. If I want to just drink it, I'll put in more water. And it's kind of a cool little smoothie sort of thing going on. And this one right here, so this is my breakfast. So these are steel cut oats, some raisins, and some coconut milk. And again, I think I have a video on this a couple before this one. And this one right here, this is just general snacks. Probably end up eating it after breakfast tomorrow on the way out. And in here there's dried beets. There is dried mango. I think I have a video on drying that. I have some banana chips, and looks like there's a handful of raisins thrown in there. So that is a really simple meal plan. This was not meant to be a video full of details, but just to give you an idea of, you know, a meal plan that you can eat that's plant-based, you know, vegan, and that is easy to throw together. It's all under 3 pounds, which is a little bit heavy. So normally I like to shoot for that 2-pound mark. But that is, and it's also not a ton of calories. It's really cool today. I'm not going very far, and so I don't need 5,000 calories to fuel me. It's only overnight. I'll be fine with just a few thousand calories. So that's just a little sample. Hope that helped somebody. Thanks.